Okay, today we're putting together Nurdle Patrol startup kits. So here's 100 glass vials that are going into a duffel bag that Tracy is putting together. Every organization will get the same thing to just be able to get them started up to either incorporate nurdle sampling into their own monitoring or start up their own citizen science project. So this what goes in there. We have buffs. We put 4 different buffs in there. Some are different sizes, small to large. That way you can do your social distancing while you're doing your survey. And then we have 5 t-shirts with different sizes. So those would go in there. See the nice duffel bag here on the side.
Okay.
And then we have informational cards here that tell you, there's a stack of them. So these will tell you how to do a survey, and then more information on the back, including a QR code to take you to the nurdle-patrol.org website that has training videos and stuff like that in there. And then we have a little field notebook where you can write data in there. We've also got some Nurdle Patrol stickers to get you started if there's somebody that wants to put them on the car or something like that to promote. Tweezers, if you don't want to touch the nurdles with your hand, then you can do that. Then lastly, we have a flash drive, and it's got a presentation, everything about nurdles on there that organizations can make their own. It's also got training videos, methodology paper in there, everything that you need. It's got the logos for nurdle-patrol.org so that you can make more t-shirts or more buffs or anything that you want. You make this your own project. And so these are all the kits that are going out. We've got about 80 of these going out right now, but we've got more. So if you know of any organization around the country that might be interested in this, just let us know. Okay, until next time.
Bye.
Bye.